If you need to give your credit score a quick boost to qualify for better terms on a loan, then you need to see this video. I'm about to teach you 3 strategies for quickly increasing your credit score. Hello and welcome to Practical Personal Finance. My name is Andrew Shear, and on this channel I give you the information you need to help you understand and succeed with money. Today I'm going to be giving you 3 easy strategies to help you quickly increase your credit score. If you're new here, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button and join the conversation in the comments below. If you're applying for a mortgage, a consolidation loan, or financing on a new car, having a higher credit score can lead to a lower interest rate and savings of hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. If you like saving big on interest, give this video a thumbs up. So you just make sure your credit score is as high as possible when you submit your loan application, right? There's only one problem. It typically takes a long time to prove to lenders that you're a responsible borrower and are worthy of a high credit score. That's an issue because time might not be on your side. You might not have a year or more to increase your credit score. But don't worry, here are 3 easy strategies to increase your credit score in a short amount of time. First is to minimize your credit card utilization. This is one of the big factors that go into calculating your credit score. Credit card utilization is a measure of what % of your maximum credit limit you're using on a monthly basis. If you max out all of your credit cards each month, your credit card utilization will be 100%, even if you pay it in full after receiving your monthly statement. You want your credit card utilization to be more like 30%, or ideally under 10%. That means if you have a credit card with a limit of $1,000, you want your monthly statement to be for less than $300, or better yet, less than $100. Notice how I specifically said the amount on your monthly statement. This amount is what your credit card company reports to the credit bureaus every month. It doesn't really matter how much you spend on your credit card during the month. It only matters what the balance is on your statement in the end. If you're already paying off your credit card in full every month, which I recommend doing, then this will be by far the easiest way to boost your credit score. Just go in once a week and pay off the current balance. Done. If you have a lot of credit card debt or aren't paying off your credit card in full every month, don't worry. These next 2 tips will be especially helpful for you. The second way to increase your credit score quickly also has to do with minimizing your credit card utilization. Because your utilization is measured as a percentage, there is a second way to lower it, by increasing your credit limit. To help you understand, let's pretend I have a credit card with a limit of $1,000 and a balance of $600 on my statement. My utilization in this case would be 60%. If I wanted to get it down to that 30% range I mentioned earlier, but I didn't have an extra $300 to pay it down this month, I could call up my credit card company and ask for a credit limit increase. You may need to provide a reason about why you're requesting the increase. Feel free to let them know that you're trying to reduce your credit card utilization rate, or come up with a story about how you're planning ahead for some big purchases. They may also ask you what amount you would like your credit increased to, so be prepared with a reasonable number in mind. If I got my credit limit increased from $1,000 to $2,000, my $600 balance would now be just 30% utilization. Utilization goes down, credit score goes up. The final way to increase your credit score in a short amount of time is to become an authorized user of someone else's credit card. If there's someone in your life who you have a very high level of trust with, this can be a very powerful strategy. Before you're added, you need to make sure that this person is highly responsible with their money, has low utilization on the card, and that the account you're being added to has been active for a good amount of time. Your intention here is not to use this person's credit card or even have the card number. You simply want their account to be counted on your credit report by virtue of your name being listed on that account as the authorized user. This method can work on two levels. First is the credit card utilization. As long as the person adding you to his or her card has low utilization, you will benefit from the additional credit available to you as part of your overall credit limit. As with the prior strategy, because your limit is now higher, your utilization will be lower. Second has to do with the average age of your accounts, which is another factor that goes into your credit score. Let's pretend you're in your mid-20s and the average age of your credit accounts is 3 years. If a parent or older relative agrees to add you as an authorized user and the account you're added to has been open for 30 years, the average age of your account just got a major boost, and your credit score will too. It's important to remember that even these quick strategies will take a couple of months to give your credit score that needed boost. You can't expect results overnight. You need to give the lenders time to report the changes to the credit bureaus. Only then will your credit score change. Which of these 3 strategies do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and consider supporting my channel by becoming a subscriber with notifications turned on. Thanks for watching. I'm Andrew Shear, and I'll see you next time.